Alright guys, today I'll show you how to bird whistle. Okay, first make 2 C's with your hands. No, put your hand like this, guys, you see? Then back. Put your hand like this. See, until C, then close this tightly, so like this. Yeah. You close it so tightly. You see there's no openings, right? So curve your fingers a little bit like this, and then don't blow like this, guys. That will not make anything sound. Blow like this. See? It works. If you want to make the voice higher, open your hand. Open the 1C, so like, yeah. Yeah, see? The C on top, so. See? I don't blow my hand like this. I blow like this. Yeah. So it takes some time to master, but yeah, I guess if you're actually determined to do it, yeah, you can do it, I guess. Yeah, so bye bye.